It's story time.
Blah, 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 blah.
Hello children, today's story is Why Elephant Has a Trunk. This is Read It Yourself with Ladybird book, Level 1. This story is based on a script by Edward Gakuya and Claudia Lloyd. There was a time when Elephant had no trunk. He was very big and very smelly. You should have a wash, Elephant. You're very smelly, said Chameleon. I can't wash, said the Elephant. I'm too big. You should have a bath then, said Chameleon. Hippo will help. Snap, 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 said Crocodile. No, you can't get in. This is no good. All the animals will call me smelly if I can't have a bath, said the Elephant. And then, snap, 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 Crocodile snapped the Elephant on the nose. Help, said the Elephant. All the animals helped. Pull, said Hippo. The animals pulled and they pulled, but Crocodile did not let go. Elephant's nose got longer and longer and longer. Then Crocodile let go. My nose, said the Elephant. It is so long now. Then Elephant had a good wash with his long nose. Now I'm not smelly, he said. I have got a good long nose, said the Elephant. I will call it a trunk, and that is why Elephant has a trunk.